All right, so now that we've got you all signed up, now we need to get your students in here so you guys can begin collaborating. It's super easy. All you need to do is send your students to presley.pro/students, and then they will sign up using your unique school ID number. So it's really important that you provide your students with that link as well as that school ID number, so that way they will be connected to you. They actually won't be able to sign up without a school ID number anyway, so if for some reason you forget, they're going to be bugging you for it. So you can send an email through your district or your school's LMS system. You can send a text message if you already have that communication mechanism set up, or go old school, put this up on the board and have them sign up on the first day of school, or however you want to do it. I'm going to go ahead and copy it right now, and then I'm going to presley.pro/students. This link will also just be on the homepage of Presley if you want to just send them to presley.pro and then tell them to go to student sign up. All they need to put in is their first and last name, their email address, and then that unique school ID. One note is the first and last name is how Presley will refer to the students. So making sure that they put in something that's recognizable to you and each other as the staff is going to be important. So not putting in like a silly nickname like Big Bird, but they can put in a nickname or they can put in their last initial. That's totally fine as long as you know who they are. Once they sign up and they go to their profile page, they'll have the ability to put in a preferred name if they'd like to go by something else, or if you as the advisor would like to go by Miss K or Miss Moreno instead of Katie Moreno, that's fine too. We have that ability, but upon sign up, we just need a first and last name. When you put your email address in, make sure it is a unique email address. I know that some advisors want to set up a student account as well, just to be able to have that perspective and see how things are working. Totally fine. Just make sure it's not the same email address as your advisor email address. You can use a personal one, you can use a secondary one, or if your email provider allows you to, you can do variations, which means it's a legitimate email address, but it adds a period or a plus sign. That different email providers allow for different things, and it will create a unique email address on the Presley side of things, but it'll still all go to your main email address. So that is really important because the Presley backend doesn't know if you want to be an advisor or a student if you sign up with both with the same email. Then you drop in your unique school ID. Make sure it's 100% correct, or that way it won't be able to sign you up. Then hit submit, and it will take you to the homepage again. Brings you back to the homepage because there will be an email sent that will be your invitation to go and set your password. So the student needs to go log into their email address, click that link, and then they will be brought to the dashboard.